What we learned from a dead star erupting with the fire and fury of 100,000 suns. In a nearby galaxy, a rare kind of dead star erupted into a giant outburst. This in itself may not be so peculiar, but, for the first time, changes in its brightness during this event have been documented in detail, giving scientists a window into understanding the processes that produce these colossal flares. The star is a type of extreme neutron star called a magnetar, located up to 13 million light-years away in the Silver Coin Galaxy, NGC 253, and at the 160 millisecond peak of its eruption, it emitted as much energy as the Sun does in 100 millennia. Even in an inactive state, magnetars can be 100,000 times more luminous than our Sun, but in the case of the flash that we have studied, the GRB 2,001,415, the energy that was released is equivalent to that which our Sun radiates in 100,000 years, said astrophysicist Alberto J. Castro Tirado of the Institute of Astrophysics of Andalusia in Spain.
For daily video updates, subscribe to Only Facts.